Good day, guys. Welcome back to Scoopy's Works. This is my chrome rims and the 17 inch, which is not looking good anymore. So I'm gonna be respraying them and making them new, or not making them new, just giving it a little bit different, something different, and having the appearance change a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to be applying a layer of primer on the inside of the rims. Alright guys, I'm going to be applying a layer of black on the rims. Right guys, that's it. I'll be applying a second layer after the blow off period. Applying a layer or two of black. Alright, we'll stand for a few days because our weather here is a little bit cold now, for it to have a nice curing time. And I'll put in I'll do a pin striking on these grooves and all the rims. Alright guys, this is the final stage. We've painted it black, so we've masked the area which I want to put some grey silver or silver grey on, and we'll see after we take off the masking tape how it's going to look. So I've got my gun on a little bit lower pressure, not too high. You don't want to wait unless you necessarily spray or create overspray. cover it lightly for the first coat. This I'm gonna let sit for about 5 minutes. Now I'll start the second coat. I'm gonna do about 3 or 4 coats just to ensure that it is nicely covered. The 90-degree angle so it covers the corners. If you really want to, you don't have a compressor or that spray gun. There's aerosol cans, but me, I prefer the compressor due to the quality of paint I'm using. I wanted it to last a lot longer, as this aerosol Have a look at what it looks like. Alright guys, this is how it looks after the tape has been removed. Doesn't look too bad. Myself, I like to be different, so I think it came out rather nicely. So with that in mind, try to be different. And for the subscribers that I have, those who have subscribed to me, I thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some comments about what you think about it. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.